Hey, welcome back to the Intuitive Mindset with Jeannie Lynch. We're going to continue the beautiful work of exploring the Fool's journey through tarot. But today we're going to do it in a modern way, in a modern day. And here's why. The Fool's journey is not something we explore and we learn and we go through just once in our life. In fact, these cards and these symbols and these characters and these archetypes have so much to teach us many times and in many lives. So today we explore this, but in a new way. I'm so excited to share a modern day twist to an old story. And why? Because you can learn a lot from a fool. Enjoy.
Once upon a timeline not so far away, a young girl named Luna stood in front of her mirror, backpack strapped tight. It was the first day of middle school. She felt just like the fool from her tarot deck, standing at the edge of a cliff, not sure if she should leap or run. With her dog Rosie nipping at her ankle, she took a deep breath and whispered,
"Okay, universe, be gentle."
The first sign of magic appeared in art class. Her teacher said,
"Today we manifest. Make a vision board of your dream life."
Luna learned that magic wasn't in potions or spells. It lived in focus, intention, and a whole lot of glitter glue. Soon after, the school counselor taught her to listen to her inner voice, her own personal GPS that never loses signal. Then came the Emperor, her dad, Mr. Rivera, king of curfews and Wi-Fi restrictions. At first, Luna thought he was a dictator in sweatpants, but she soon realized his rules weren't to keep her small, but to keep her safe. Structure was protection, and boundaries were the new black. Of course, then came Eli. Cute smile, crooked teeth, and a skateboard. She fell hard, and then, as most middle school romances do, it ended with a text. "I think we should just be friends." That was the lovers. Lesson. The most important relationship you will ever have is the one with yourself. To prove she could win at something, Luna joined the track team. Her coach told her, "It's not about outrunning others, it's about mastering your own pace." She learned that success wasn't about speed, but focus, balance, and drive. But life kept spinning the wheel. A rumor spread, her best friend moved away, and her family's old dog Rosie crossed the Rainbow Bridge. It hurt like nothing else. But grief didn't destroy her. It reshaped her. She learned that death isn't an ending. It's a transformation. Then came the tower. A rumor, a breakup, and a falling out with a friend all at once. Her world collapsed. But she learned that what falls apart was never truly solid to begin with. She rebuilt, stronger and truer. After the wreckage came the star. Inspired by Rosie, she started volunteering at an animal shelter and found that helping others healed her own heart. On graduation day, with her cap slightly crooked and her heart wide open, Luna crossed the stage. She knew she wasn't done. She was just beginning. Life isn't a straight line, it's a spiral. Every time we think we've arrived, another chapter begins. So if you feel like you don't know what you're doing, you're in good company. Every wise soul started as a fool. Thanks for watching. If this story resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more modern tales. See you in the next one.